For all YouTube creators, this new AI-powered tool can make a huge difference in growing your channel viewers and subscribers. Hi, I am Nadeem and thanks for watching this video. Since YouTube added monetization to their shorts in February this year, there has been a massive jump in the number of shorts produced and watched on YouTube. Are you aware that over 70% of people watch YouTube on their mobile devices? In this video, I am going to share a brand new AI-powered tool that will produce 5 to 8 YouTube shorts in just one click. I'm quite sure that this program is one of the best available today to let you produce YouTube shorts from your long videos in the fastest way possible and in high quality. So in case you want to skip the rest of the video where I will share this tool live on screen with you, you can just stop here and click the first link in the description or in the pinned comments of this video. For those who would like to know details before trying out this tool, we will move on to the screen and see the demo. Before we move on to the website, I will quickly show you the number of YouTube shorts that I have uploaded on my channel in only the last few days, thanks to this amazing tool. I will try to keep it very simple and quick for you because I really want you to start using this tool immediately. What I also want to inform you is that this tool is completely free for now, with the limitation of only converting 5 of your long videos to shorts every 24 hours from one account. Now let's move on to the website, and on a new browser you just need to type Opus.Pro, that's Opus.Pro. If you are using it for the first time, you just need to create a free account with your email ID. Obviously I have my account already created, so we will move on directly to the home page where you see this small box that says drop a video link. I already decided one of my long videos that I'm going to use for this demo, which is just about 10 minutes duration. I will copy the link of this video and you simply need to paste the link into the box on the Opus website and get the clips in one click. It's really that simple. This tool will now start working on producing up to 10 YouTube shorts with very attractive auto-generated subtitles. It takes an average of about 10 minutes to process, so we will return back once the process is over. Now we are back on the same screen and I have 5 new shorts ready for me from my long video. I guess the number of shorts that you get from every long video may depend on the length of your long video, because for some of my long videos this tool provided me with 9 and 10 shorts. Next, I want to show you very quickly the various editing options available before you decide to download the clip and save it to your computer. If you click this icon here, you will get the editing options. On the first screen, it will show you the transcript of your video, which is the subtitles generated by the AI. And if you click the Preferences tab, it opens the editing options for you. Here you can decide to remove the subtitles or change the auto-generated colors used in the subtitles. The options below are for you to either accept the resolution and the look as it is, or to make changes. Now this is very useful in case you have on-screen display of text in your long video. So try out the different options given here. For now, I will suggest that you click the first link marked as Opus in the video description or in the pinned comments of this video and get started immediately. You will see for yourself how simple things have been made for us by artificial intelligence, and in particular this wonderful tool. Let me request you to kindly like and share this video for the benefit of other creators. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.